Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use password manager on mobile. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use your password manager on mobile, all you can do is simply go and download the password manager. Now, to use a password manager, you need to enable the autofill service in your phone settings if you're an Android, or enable iCloud Keychain if you're using an iOS, allowing it to securely save, generate, and fill password across apps and browsers. Google Password Manager or third-party apps like Bitwarden or 1Password offer this functionality, often requiring biometric verification. So if you're gonna do this, then you can simply use a password manager on your mobile phone. So when you're creating a new account, the manager will suggest a strong, unique password. Support for passkeys allows biometric login without a password. Ensure you have signed into your Google Apple account with sync turn on to use password across devices. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.